Ever wondered what in-band SQL injection is and how it works? Well, today you're in luck. We're diving into the world of in-band SQL injection, a type of SQL injection attack where the same communication channel is used to unleash the attack and gather results. This type of attack is also known as classic or error-based SQL injection. But how does it work exactly? Imagine an attacker exploiting vulnerabilities in an application to inject malicious SQL code. Not only is this code injected, but it also retrieves data directly through the application's output. Sounds pretty serious, right? In-band SQL injection can be broken down into two main types: union-based SQL injection and error-based SQL injection. Union-based SQL injection involves the attacker using the union SQL operator. This operator allows the attacker to combine the results of the original query with results from a second query, one crafted by the attacker. An example payload could look something like this. Union select username, password from users. If the application is vulnerable, this payload could retrieve data straight from the users table. On the other hand, error-based SQL injection has the attacker injecting a malicious SQL code that triggers an error. This error message, returned by the database, then reveals information about the structure of the database. A payload for this type of attack might look like or1 = convert, int, select @version. The error message returned by the database might disclose details such as the database version, which can be valuable for further exploitation. In both these scenarios, the attacker is exploiting the fact that the application does not properly validate or sanitize user inputs. This allows them to inject arbitrary SQL code into the queries executed by the database. So how can we prevent in-band SQL injection? The answer lies in implementing secure coding practices, using parameterized queries or prepared statements, and validating and sanitizing user inputs. This ensures that they cannot be used to manipulate SQL queries. Additionally, keeping software and frameworks up to date helps to address known vulnerabilities and protect against SQL injection attacks. In summary, in-band SQL injection is a serious threat that exploits vulnerabilities in applications, allowing attackers to inject malicious SQL code and retrieve data. By understanding this type of attack, we can implement measures to prevent it and protect our applications and data. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to cybersecurity.